Alright, as you can see, I'm out here at the 1st Avenue US 11 road crossing, Birmingham, Alabama. Just got a quick update here. Partially because I don't know when the next chance I'll get to record this crossing will be. But US has replaced the overhead lights on this signal here with some Safetran 12 by 20 inch incandescent lights. And also the gate arm over there is now fixed. It looks like it replaces the new ones. So hopefully it shouldn't get stuck on the overhead lights anymore. But I guess we'll find out next chance I get to record this. But just going back here, you can see that these are Safetran, kinda. There we go. There we go. Now you can see that guy's Safetran. The other guy is too. So yeah, just a quick update here to this signal. Oh, never noticed that before. An old US&S piece. This guy might be old Central Georgia line, though everything looks to be from Southern, so I can't say for sure. But yeah, just a quick update here to the to the 1st Avenue US 11 road crossing in Birmingham, Alabama. Over and out.